You got me.
Yeah,
You
I
got me.
ya.
I'm done now.
You done now? Okay.
We're at the High Desert Museum by Bend. A cool teepee. Um, so.
I'm gonna tell her that's great.
I hate how my camera.
Oh.
Hi, Des. Hi, Cassie. What is that? Get in the picture. Hi, Cassie Butt.
Fishies. No? What do you mean no? That's definitely fishies. Oh, you touched the water?
Yeah, the dancing was fun.
So are you ready to? There's another one right there. And right here. Stay down. Oh, is it right here? Oh, is it one Look, he's moving. Look, he's climbing up the wall. Look, turtle. This one's on my shoulder. He's wearing on the Yeah. I'm just watching.
Oh, we fell.
Waiting for that. Two turtles. One, two.
Girl, see an owl.
There's another one.
People like there's a lot of stuff outside. Daddy, I have an idea. Okay, yeah, we need to use this is a mountain king snake.
One of them's down in here now. Two of them are down. One, two. I don't know. That's the rattlesnake.
There's reflections. Oh, I see the head.
Go what?
Let them take a picture and then we have to hold on. Hold on. Hold on.
Turn around, baby.
They're gonna take a picture real quick and then hold on.
Cassie. Cassie, Bubba. Look at mommy and daddy.
Turn around, babe.
Look, they're taking a picture of her too.
Not yet. We don't want to scare the birdie, so you stay over here on the path, okay?
In a facility like this, potentially in excess of 40.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
In the box.
Another owl.
This is disgusting.
The eagle came out.
The eagle came out.
Stop in this butt. Turn around. Show me your head. The vulture's ripping apart a deer. It's pretty gross.
Ew.
Ew. They ripped it apart, Catherine. Poor deer. Got murked up by some birds. Little rodent.
See your little birdie.
Sissy's a big birdie. You're funny.
Hey, mad about something. Probably, being in a cage, but
No.
Yeah.
he mad about it. Cassie, look in front of you.
You don't like the beavers?
Mm.
A lot of fish.
Do you like the fishies?
If you go camping, do you know where to go?
I don't see an orange one. I see ones with pinky stripes on their sides. Yeah. Pinky, huh? Trying to get earlier. All it took was me trying to tip you in the pond for you to give me a hug and squeeze tight.
Oh, see, mommy.
No, baby, stay back here. Cassie, honey, stay back here.
We only get to around
He's trying to go.
Yes.
With the other day when I opened it up, and I am not going to be the person that breaks it after 100 years. So.
Look, baby, a halo. Brand new, $31.
And 20 cents.
Some otters.
What are those? Yellow.
Yeah, we did go out yesterday to the, I think it was the Lava Land Visitor Center, which is still closed for the season, but we hiked a little bit, and they climbed up the lava rocks a little bit to get some good pictures.
Oh, the lava rock.
And then we drove it down to, I think it was the Bannon Bridge. And I pushed him out to the bridge so we can get some pictures. We wanted to go to the falls, but there wasn't an easy way for me to get out to the falls.
Hi.
So cute. I know, this is so favorite poop. I don't know. It's like, oh, look at them.
All of them are eating.
They are, they're playing.
Where are they?
They went away. They went on a swim.
I see one. I see one.
Okay.
I see two.
Out and did the hills.
So we're going to push you down the hill.
It's eating some kind of rat or something. It's on the move.
Well, whatever I'm sending to you is sending.
Porcupine. Damn it. Sorry about that. I got a sleeping baby on my lap.